Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Westside Elementary School in 5 Points, California, home to Lions, where they're wild, for wise choices, inspiring leaders, and determination. This is my first visit to their campus, and it was a beautiful morning. Got to talk to all the grades K through 8, students and staff in the main cafeteria. And the focus for the assembly was bullying. The sub-theme was to look at the heart first, right? And we know that our heart's as big as our fist, but if we can let love, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn this into this peace sign. Where one finger is ourself, the other is someone you're trying to lift up higher than yourself, hopefully by how you choose to treat that person with love. But it's also two, because in just 2 seconds, 1, 2, one breath, one heartbeat, one word, one action, 2 seconds, we can say or do something so kind that it uplifts someone, stays on their heart in a positive way forever, or conversely say something so mean and negative that it stays on their heart in a negative way, right? And so of course we want to always focus on the positive. And there was a lot of pin drop moments throughout the program today. So I know a lot of the students did take it to heart. That's where all this begins, right? Inside each of our hearts. And bullying, right, is repeated action over and over and over again on purpose to get power over someone. But the things that aren't bullying, you know, just those one moments, those one words, those one actions, they still can have the same impact on someone's life, right? And so hopefully we're going to choose, no matter what we're going through, or have gone through or will go through, that we're still going to choose kindness, choose peace, choose compassion. And we know a big reason why bullying happens is that hurt people, right? But it's also true that heal people. So we always have this opportunity, right? Each and every day, not just school day, but weekend, summer break, and beyond our time in elementary, to hopefully always consistently, consciously choose the right path, which can be forgiveness, can be rising above the hate, to still choose love no matter what. And, you know, I love getting to speak on a topic like this because we're talking about trying to see someone else for their heart before anything else, just like you see your best friend, right? That it doesn't matter how that person's born, how they walk, talk, see, hear, learn, their skin color, the foods they eat, the clothes they wear, the languages that they speak. It all comes back to who that person is, right? To see them as a human being before anything else as well. And we also know that we can look at ourselves and others for this too. All of us with the lines on our hand have letter M. I bring this up in every assembly because it's so important to me, but all of us have letter M, at least one in each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects it, right? But this M, like I always trace one here on my palm, that M stands for miracle. Like the front of my shirt, upside down W stands for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we have to buy into this, right? We have to believe that we're good enough so we can go and help others see this too, and hopefully believe that as well and be the light to their heart, right? But, you know, through the different inspirational videos, the positive hip hop music, the picture slides that reinforce some of the stories that I share at the heart level, of course, the visual aid, physical props too, you know, all of that combined was trying to impress upon them that they have this chance where they can hopefully rise to the occasion and really live by what they preach as leaders here at their school, to step into being the change, you know, to leading the change that they want to see for this world, right? And one act of kindness at a time is how we start to change things, right? And if we know that something touched our heart, well, that means you have a big heart. And now it's up to you to go share that gift by how you choose to treat others the way that you want to be treated, of course. And then we start to make this planet a little better and brighter place. So thanks again for touching my heart. It was a beautiful day. I hope to be back again soon. Until then, though, have a great rest of this school year. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.